No, this is not my hair, but I finally got my hands on some Kinky Stray human crochet hair from QVR here. Let's install and style this together. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I am Miss Indecisive. Today we'll be installing this feather crochet here from QVR. It's 18 inches long and it's in the color natural black. I'll be working with 5 packs of these, and this is your Kinky Straight human hair, and this is 100% unprocessed human hair. And as a result, you can dye, you can perm it, and you can style it accordingly. There's a crochet needle in every package, so I'm gonna just pick one and use. This is my braid pattern that I did. Don't watch how it looks now, the hair will come out flawless. So I did 2 little ones at the top there and kind of crisscross it a bit, because I think I'm gonna be doing a center part sometimes, and I also want to just brush it back when I'm ready. So this is how the hair is looking. I will be installing 3 at a time, and sometimes I install 2, but for most parts I just put 3 at a time. So this is a close-up of how I install the hair. I push the needle through, hook it onto the thread, close the needle, pull the needle out, and then I'm going to remove it from the hair and loop it. After looping, I like to go back there and just pull on both ends in separate direction to ensure it's tightly done. But once you loop it through, the knot normally stays tight with no slipping. It's very secure. Now that we're done with the installation process, I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. I have relaxed hair at the front, but if you have natural hair, this is ideal for you, because I was kind of scared a bit to see how it's gonna blend in with my hair, but trust me, I wasn't disappointed, and you're not gonna be disappointed either. I recently dyed my hair in jet black, so it's a little off from the natural color of the crochet hair, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna blow the hair for a bit, and then we're gonna get to styling it. Another thing I love about this hair is that it has invisible knots. So even though you can perhaps feel them, you can't see them like that. And it's very full. Love the texture. and it gives a seamless blend. And if you're on the hunt for your next protective style, then you can definitely give this a try. And this here is very low maintenance. You don't have to curl. If you don't want to curl, you can wear it just as is. You don't have to straighten or anything. It's perfect just as is. Similar to wigs, this hair is very versatile as you can style it in many different ways, and this is just one way in which I'm going to show you how I style it. Here are some other ways in which I style the hair. I did a little half up, half down type of vibe, and this is the part that I left out. I did leave out a little much because I wanted to have the flexibility to just kind of part my hair however and do whatever I wanted with it. And this is the back view. This is how we're looking around here. When I tell you that I love this hair, I really do love this hair. So if you're full on natural, you can always blow dry your hair and just flat iron it out to blend seamlessly with this. Yeah, you really can't tell me that this ain't my hair. And what you can do too, this hair is reusable, so when you take out the cornrows, the hair will literally just slip off. So you can just put this hair away until you're ready to reuse it, and that's it, you're good to go again. Be sure to check out my description box below for all the information with regards to this hair, the link and the other details. And don't forget to share this video with someone who would appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so.